Hello. The question is, A can do a piece of work in 80 days. He works at it for 10 days and then B alone finishes the work in 42 days. The number of days taken by the two together to finish the work is. Here in the question, the total work is the work of A of 80 days and A works at it for 10 days. A works at it for 10 days. Therefore, the remaining work is the work of 70 days of A. And the work of 70 days of A is done by B in 42 days. This work is done by B in 42 days. The work of 70 days of A is equals to the work of 42 days of B. From here, we will calculate the total work by taking the LCM of these two timings, and the LCM of these two timings is 210. This 210 is the total work. 73 times 210, 42, 5 times 210. These are the efficiency of A and B. The efficiency of A is 3 and the efficiency of B is 5. Now the total work is the work of A of 80 days. From here we will calculate the actual total work. This is total work equals to efficiency into time, and the time is 80 days and the efficiency of A is 3. Therefore the total work is 240. In the question we have to calculate the number of days taken by the two together to finish the work is. Therefore, time taken by A plus B to do this piece of work equals to, the work is 240 and the efficiency of A plus B is 8. Therefore, we divide 240 by 8 and the time taken is 30 days. Thank you.